Good morning, traders. Whew, it's about 4 a.m. Figured I'd go ahead and do my analysis now because I'm up. Alrighty. Yeah, I said I was going to trade NJ. I got this idea from Dapo Willis. Dapo Willis is a trader that plots out 1,000 pip moves, trades that one pair for those 1,000 pips. And from what he says, he averages about 1,000 pips a month. And I can see how that could happen. So let me just take you through what I see. So I see an impulse move down, right? I see the pullback. This pullback didn't break this high. Pullback stalled out. So now I got us going back down. And I'm going to treat this like it's going to break these lows. If it doesn't, we'll have several opportunities to take this back down. Even if we did a pullback for our golden zone this way, it would still take us down to about the midpoint. We'll just do the analysis and we'll get it from both directions. So from this move, impulse move down to that wick, come back up here. This is a 2-month chart. We started wicking out right here at the 78. Then it throws you the bearish order block. Price pushed back up into the order block. And now I believe we're going to start the rapid decline here. Makes sense to me because the U.S. economy is in trouble. If the U.S. economy is in trouble, the JPY currency gets stronger, which means the pairs tend to drop off. And if you look at every JPY pair, they're all showing signs of selling. So let's fib it the opposite direction. From this wick to the highs here, as you can see, we have to at least come down here to the golden zone, which would give us 995 pips. Perfect. It'll give us more than that because the first move out of the gate is going to be up. So you can see how I got that there. I'm going to put a red line at this imbalance. Start of this imbalance, you can see, I'm sure we'll mitigate all this and we'll continue to talk as the months and weeks go by. So I have my area of the trade marked up, and I'm excited to start this journey. We'll go to the weekly. Naturally, we got the weekly bearish order block. If you got the 2-month, drop down 2 time frames for your entry, which will be the weekly. You can enter here, right? But since we could enter here and put our stop loss at the top of this wick. If you entered on this weekly, you would protect the entire order block. But since we're better than that, from the weekly, we can drop down 2 time frames to the 4-hour, and we can wait to receive our bearish order block. Now, this is not very difficult. As you can see, what we've done is we push down. So if I analyze it from this aspect, I would fib for this drop right here. And I would expect my pullback to hit this golden zone. There's an order block. 78 is perfect. So you don't have to ask this week. I'll be buying NZDJPY. Hopefully I can get a 100 pip move to the upside, at which time I can double my lot size and start selling it down, right? If you've never seen the benefit of having your order blocks line up, you're going to witness something special. So we got a 2-month bearish order block. We have a weekly bearish order block. We're waiting on the 4-hour bearish order block, right? Then that day we'll get a daily bearish order block as well. So once we get a 4-hour order block, we'll hop in that trade. We'll get a 15-minute. We'll drop down to a 15-minute time frame, and we'll get a position there as well. Okay. So what I'm going to do is put me a long tool on here. There's an imbalance right here that I have marked up. This is basically going to be a hedge buy because we're buying this pair to sell it, okay? If I drop down to the 1-hour time frame, price gets flat, pushes up, we've broken the moving averages. I'm just waiting for a pullback. We might get a push up. We might get another bullish order block, the first hour push up. If we do, I'll look for the pullback and get in. But what I'm hoping happens is this trade turns around. We come back to fill this 15-minute imbalance. Okay, so I would like to see the trade come down here and fill the 15-minute imbalance, right, and then push up. And hopefully you guys are tracking. If you haven't done so, get your demo account, put $100, put $50, get a live account, $100, $50, and we'll trade this together. All right, see y'all.